Good day everyone, and welcome back once again to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet a tulip keychain. First, we're going to make a magic ring and make 6 single crochet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And for the second round, we're going to increase. So make a slip stitch on the first single crochet and increase. So make 2 single crochet. So 2 single crochet in every stitch. For the third round, first make a slip stitch and make 1 chain, and then make a single crochet on the same stitch, and then next is 1 single crochet, and on the other stitch make 2 single crochet. So just repeat the process until we finish this round. On the fourth round, make a slip stitch and 1 chain, and then another 1 single crochet on the same space, and then on the 2 following space make 1 single crochet, and then next is you're going to make 2 single crochet. So just repeat the process until we finish this round. Next is we're not going to do a slip stitch, but we are going to continue making single crochet. So continue making single crochet in every spaces until we reach the 12th round. Now we are going to cut this yarn, and then we're going to use our yarn needle to sew our tulip, and then we're going to fill this with our fiber. Now let's sew them together. Now we are going to crochet the stem, so we are going to crochet them on the second round. So just make a single crochet until we finish this round. So for a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 round for the stem. Now we are done with the first round, so just continue making single crochet. So this time we're going to do the decreasing. Just do the decreasing 6 times. So if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated to my upcoming videos. And in this project, I am using a milk cotton yarn. You can purchase it in my TikTok shop. I will put the link on the description below. This time we're going to make 40 chains. So I hope you like this video. See you again next time. Bye everyone.